Hello everyone. Imagine you've just received an unexpected bill from your business that you cannot afford to pay. What if I told you that with effective budgeting and financial planning, you could turn such scenarios into mere speed bumps rather than roadblocks? Have you ever faced financial surprises that set your business back? Today, we're going to focus on budgeting and financial planning, both of which are essential tools for steering your business towards success. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the core principles of budgeting, learn the key elements of a solid financial plan, learn practical strategies to implement effective budgeting and financial planning in your business. Budgeting is the backbone of financial stability for any business. It's your plan for how you'll allocate resources over a specific period. Think of it as a blueprint for your financial decisions. Revenue projections, estimating the income your business expects to generate. Fixed costs, regular predictable expenses such as rent, salaries, and utilities. Variable cost, expenses that fluctuate like raw materials or marketing campaigns. Contingency fund, a reserve for unexpected costs. Let's say you own a cafe. Your fixed costs include rent and staff salaries. Variable cost covers things like coffee beans and pastries, which may change based on demand. Through projecting your revenue based on past sales and market trends, you can allocate funds wisely, ensuring you're prepared for high and low seasons. Think of budgeting as planning a weekly meal prep. You know you need certain amount of ingredients. That is your fixed cost. You might buy extra snacks if there are sales. That's called variable cost. And you always keep a little extra money aside for unplanned dinner out. That is called contingency fund. Laura runs a successful floral shop. Initially, she didn't have a budget, leading to periods of financial strain. After creating a detailed budget, she could see where her money was going. She identified that her biggest expenses were supplies and seasonal marketing. She increased her profit margins by managing these costs better and expanded her business to a second location. While budgeting deals with short term, financial planning is about the long term strategy of your business. It's about envisioning your business's future and mapping out how to get there. Goal setting, defining where you want your business to be in the future. Risk management, identifying potential risks and planning for them. Investment strategies, deciding where to put your money to achieve growth. Cash flow management, ensuring you have enough cash on hand to cover expenses while investing in growth opportunities. Consider a retail store planning to open additional locations. The owner sets goals for new store openings, identifies risks such as market saturations, plans investments in new inventory, and manages cash flows to ensure funds are available for expansion. Think of financial planning as preparing for a long road trip. You need to know your destination, that is your goals, plan your route, that is your strategies, keep an eye on your fuel gauge, that is your cash flow, and have a spare tire, that is contingency fund, just in case. Mike launched a tech startup with a groundbreaking idea, but no financial plan. After a year, he faced a cash flow crisis because he underestimated how long it would take to secure clients. He then consulted a financial advisor who helped him create a financial plan with realistic revenue projections and a solid risk management strategy. This planning turned his struggling startup into a thriving business. Budgeting and financial planning are not just about keeping track of money. They're about making informed decisions that guide your business towards success. I want you to create a basic budget for a hypothetical or real business you're familiar with. Include projected revenues, fixed and variable costs, and a contingency fund. Additionally, draft a single financial plan outlining your business's goal for the next 5 years, potential risks, and strategies to achieve these goals. You can read Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez for further information on financial planning.